In today's video, I'll teach you how to add multiple photos in TikTok story. So first of all, open the TikTok application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here, initially you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to add the story, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. In your profile picture, you'll be able to see the plus icon. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to add to the story. Tap on this option, select multiple that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply select the photos that you would like to add. You can tap on the photos option in order to filter the photos only. Now tap on the photos that you would like to add to your story. Now after you're done adding the photos, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to upload the photos. You can also select the layout if you want. Tap on this option that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to upload the photos like a collage. So simply tap on the layout of your choice. Now tap on the right icon that you can see at the bottom. Now once you do that, you'll be able to add it to your story. Tap on this option, your story, that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. After a while, your story will be uploaded. So like this, you'll be able to add multiple photos to your TikTok story. So that is how you add multiple photos in TikTok story. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.